It's Mom's birthday today. Ran over, got some flowers, cake, ice cream. Looks like it's going to be another beautiful day. Alright, not sure if you can see that, but down there is one of the two adult-sized ping pong tables. The other adult-sized ping pong table is right here. They're nothing fancy, just painted plywood, but they do the job. And on the same note, there's a kid one. It's a bit smaller and lower to the ground so that the kids can play by themselves without any need of chairs, even though there's a chair sitting right there. They also have shuffleboard here. You can get the poles and the pucks from the front desk, and you can play shuffleboard if you like. Over in this area is a barbecue area. There's 4 charcoal grills, and you can reserve it. I don't know the rules on that exactly, but it has 4 tables, about 16 seats, and they have some fold-up tables and extra chairs if you need it, if you have a big party. And you can see down, spread out throughout the rest of the complex, you've got another grill here, there's a grill way over there, over in this corridor over here, there's a grill in this area, and a grill over here. Down here at the bottom there's a propane grill, and they've got another one over here in this area, another propane grill. They used to be charcoal here, but when they remodeled this flooring, it used to be just painted concrete. When they put in the pavers, they removed those charcoal grills and put in propane grills. Another nice thing about this place is you've got 3 entrances to the beach there via the boardwalk. That one's kind of hard to see. And at each one of those entrances, there's a rinsing station where you can rinse the sand off, kind of in this area right here. So next door, there's this bar, club kind of scene. It's very popular on the weekends, and then on weeknights there's usually a lot of people over here. There's some other vacation rentals you guys can that are available for rent. I think I've already pointed out the hostel. This is a hostel. They do have a couple private rooms there too if you want that. It's an ice cream shop right here. And then you can't beat the location, right on the beach. So these are the second floor rooms over here. You can see that they all have a very large sitting area outside and a decent view. The third floor has a little bit of a smaller seating area, but a way larger view. You can pretty much see all of the beach and the ocean. Down here at this end, these are some suites. These are like 2-bedroom suites up here. These are very hard to get. So down here on the ground level now, you can see some more of these communal spaces. It's a really nice, cozy place. They got bike racks, you can lock your bike up. Propane grills. Here's a better shot of the larger area that you can make a reservation for. And some charcoal grills. They come out here and clean these every day. Dump them out, clean them out. Also over in this area is a full-size shower. If you want to rinse after coming off the beach, you can see some sand there in the bottom. So one of the doors lead out to the boardwalk, and another rinsing station to remove some sand from your feet. Crystal Pier. See, another charcoal grill set up here. They got them all over the place. Everybody likes to use them. So now we're going over here into what they call the West Wing. There's just 3 rooms down here on this first floor, and a shop and the laundry room. Shop space, find a bunch of tourist goods.
Yeah.
This is the laundry area. And you can see my sister-in-law is over here doing some laundry. So it does cost $1.50 to wash and $1 to dry. They don't have anything here, but I believe you can go to the front desk to buy any kind of detergent or dryer sheets you may need. We typically just bring our own because we know we're going to end up doing laundry while we're here. They're okay size. They're like kind of on the smaller end for the washers. Let's go for a walk through the parking lot. Plenty of parking now. Like there's just a ton of extra space now that they've remodeled this. So the parking lot was a lot smaller before, and its general design wasn't very efficient. The spots were all kind of the angled spots. They couldn't fit nearly as many cars as they could, you know, now. And then this area over here behind me was all grass. This was all grass in the past, and while it was fun to be able to just, you know, you could come to this grass if you want, but there was nothing to do. The extra space here is way better used for parking. It makes it nicer to have day guests come over. You can get a day pass for them. You don't have to worry about, you know, am I going to be able to get into a spot that I can fit my vehicle in because they've restriped everything. It's just a way better design overall, and I think it was a much needed and well done improvement. Another improvement they did when they did this parking lot remodel is they put in these LED lights. These are all new. Before, there was no lighting out here, and you were just reliant on the public street lights for any kind of lighting. Now the parking lot is pretty well lit. This shed structure is also new. I believe this is where their trash cans are now located. And you can see over here, they actually took out some of the wall so that they could put in the drive so that cars could get in and out. And just like the sign says, you know, these are cottages, which you could see in the other portion of this video down below on the main level. There's apartments all across in this building here. And there are some apartments in this building. They're more suites, mostly motel rooms over here. So the plan today is we're gonna eat some breakfast, then head over to Seaport Village for a little while, do some browsing, might do some shopping, and then come back here and we might head down to the beach later. Seaport Village. ninja one?
Yeah, he's Poppy as Ninjago.
Okay, he looks cool.
I like Ninjago. That is a water. Mickey, the water. Look, Mickey.
It's pretty, huh?
The pirate be wise, and you can be too. Hear this your fortune from the pirate. Today must be your lucky day, for I see relaxation in your future.
What does it say? What's it say, guys? It says your fortune. The old pirate speaks.
Look, your fortune.
Over there, so there's 5 months. What number are you like off?
Ian and I just got off the beach. We got all cleaned up. We're gonna start cooking up some food for dinner. Looks like we're doing some bacon wrapped asparagus and some steaks on the grill tonight. Had a fun time. Didn't record anything on the beach because it was just me and I. And yeah, so we'll check in a little while. Getting the grill going. I think we're gonna get 4 going today. Killing all the charcoal we brought.
Are you gonna take a picture of me shooting up in the air?
I'm gonna take video of you shooting it up in the air. You ready? Hey, are you having fun?
Yeah.